Feeling overwhelmed by hidden charges or unexpected debt? You have more rights than you think. Stick around as we explore how the National Credit Act protects you as a consumer and what you can do to defend yourself against unfair practices. When is a credit agreement unlawful? A credit agreement is unlawful if the consumer was an unemancipated minor or mentally unfit, and proper consent wasn't given, or if the agreement results from illegal offers or prohibited terms. Additionally, agreements made with unregistered credit providers or providers prohibited from offering credit are also deemed unlawful. Such credit agreements hold no legal validity and can be voided by a court. What happens if a credit agreement is unlawful? If a credit agreement is unlawful, the court declares it void from the start, meaning it has no legal effect. The credit provider may be ordered to return any payments made by the consumer, including interest, and in some cases may forfeit their right to recover any outstanding payments. The consumer's rights are protected from any penalties resulting from the unlawful agreement. How can consumers challenge information held by credit bureaus? Under the National Credit Act, consumers have the right to access and challenge the information held by credit bureaus. They are entitled to receive this information free of charge once every 12 months. If any data is incorrect or misleading, consumers can request an investigation and have the inaccurate information corrected or removed, ensuring their credit records remain accurate and fair. When can consumers surrender goods under a credit agreement? Consumers can surrender goods they've purchased under a credit agreement, like a car, if they can no longer afford the payment. The credit provider must sell the goods to settle the debt, and if the sale doesn't cover the outstanding amount, the consumer may still owe the remaining balance. The option helps the consumers avoid legal action or repossession when they are unable to meet their obligations. What duties does a consumer have under the National Credit Act? Consumers must make timely payments and provide truthful information when entering credit agreements. They are also required to notify the credit provider of any changes in their addresses or the location of the goods bought on credit. Fulfilling these duties help consumers maintain a good relationship with the credit provider and meet their contractual obligations. Want to ensure your rights as a consumer are fully protected? Burger Huyser Attorneys is dedicated to helping you against unfair lending practices and empowering you to make sound financial choices. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Make sure to watch our full video to learn more about protecting your rights. Contact Burger Huyser Attorneys to safeguard your financial future.